Hello and welcome to CrochetSmash. Today I'm going to show you a pattern to make crochet scarf. So let us start with making some chains. This initial one is not considered as a chain, it is just a slip stitch on your hook. So make a chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Then I want to make 11 double crochet here, so I'm going to make a chain 2. Then this will be the first double crochet. Then on the fourth chain from hook we are going to make double crochet. Double crochet is yarn over hook, then you go inside the hook, then grab the yarn, bring it up a loop, yarn over hook, go through 2 loops on the hook, then yarn over hook, go through 2 loops again. I will show you one more time. We are going to make one more, yarn over hook, insert the hook, bring the yarn up. Now we have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over hook, go through 2 loops on the hook. Now still you have 2 loops on the hook, so yarn over, go through the next 2 loops. Then make double crochets in the remaining stitches. Let us do that. This pattern going to be repeated only 2 rows. So I want to have 11 double crochet. Let us see. So this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Okay, so we make chain 3. That is our first double crochet in the next row. So we are going to turn, then we are going to skip this stitch. We are going to make 3 double crochet into the next stitch. That is 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet and 3 double crochet. Now we are going to skip 2 stitches. Then we are going to make on the third one 3 double crochet. Then we are going to skip again 2, then make 3 double crochet on the third one. 1 2 3. Now we are going to skip this next stitch. Then on the last one, that is on top of the turning chain 3, we are going to make 1 double crochet. Then the next step, we are going to make chain 3. Then in each of the stitches we are going to make 1 double crochet, so it will be 11 double crochet. So this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and the 11th double crochet is on the top of the turning chain 3 here. Now we are going to repeat the this step, this second row, 2 3. Then we turn, skip the next stitch. The next one we are going to make a 3 double crochet. 1 2 3. Then we are going to skip the next 2 stitches. We are going to make a 3 double crochet. 1 2 and 3. Then we are going to skip the next 2 and we are going to make 3 double crochet. Then the final, we are going to skip the one stitch and we are going to make one double crochet on top of the turning chain. This is how it looks like. Just a lace effect, and you can create as long as it is you need it, or you can work in the lengthwise, then make it lengthwise and make it the width you need it.